Okay, so far when we look about the linear model, I just want to do a quick review here on the linear model. So remember, we've got an outcome that we are trying to predict. We've got an intercept, and that intercept is what would the outcome be if our independent variable is absent. Okay, so remember, when we do a linear model, we have a value that's associated with this particular variable, independent variable. And so this B1, remember, represents the relationship between our independent and dependent variable, and ultimately how much does our dependent variable change as a result of our independent variable. Okay, so all of that to say, when we start talking about moderator variables, what we're talking about is that we say, for instance, I'm going to predict emotional intelligence, and I have a variable such as socioeconomic status. Is that influencing emotional intelligence? But there's a moderator variable such as where does the person live, and so the location of where a person lives may be a moderator variable that's influencing the outcome variable. And we have to take that into account. So when we talk about moderation, that's in essence what we're talking about. How much does another variable influence the outcome variable?